Yeah, so lower section here, and level 3. So this section, half could be so you can your stuff. You'll have this floor area, and then there'll be a floor area over there. We were thinking too, you can put the brackets out here, or we could throw a zip line out here. Line was out here, it's right in the middle. Or if you got the wheels. And then it would be, we got these, but then we'll have rings hanging too. Could do from here, but you still can put brackets there.
Are you running bars this way?
No. I mean, we don't have enough. Yeah. Ideally we would, but that's why I'm just gonna put things. Otherwise then this would be open. So then there's out here. So what would be more important, to have it more open at the end? We just, at the end of each rig, we have I mean, I've mentally masturbated over it all, and then tried to figure out like what if we did this, and how it would get down. Even if it's just sports beginner section, but that's why I was thinking parkour box, and then we're not going to. Nothing on the wall. I mean, if we have extra and time, we probably could. Yeah, just the budget's tighter on this one.
Could we,
But again, we'll have rings, or the option for all the rings. Once the lift gets here, let's start throwing them up.
cool.